en ik zal u rust geven.
Come to me and I will give you rest.
Ik zal u helpen inzien hoe erg die zonde wel is.
I will help you realize how bad sin
Ik
is.
zal u naar de bekering toe leiden.
And I will lead you to repentance.
En dan zal ik er zorgen voor vergiffenis.
And then I will make sure there is forgiveness.
De Bijbel leert ons dat Christus de bron is van elke juiste impuls.
The Bible teaches us that Christ is that way of every right impulse.
We kunnen ons niet meer bekeren zonder Christus dan dat we gered kunnen worden zonder hem.
We cannot repent without Him.
Nu zijn er vaak mensen die denken van oké, ja, het zit allemaal niet juist in.
Sometimes there are people that are thinking it's not really is.
Het grote offer dat nodig was
The big sacrifice that was needed
om dat op te lossen,
to solve all of this
toont hoe erg zonde wel is.
shows how bad sin really is.
En dan leren we afkeer hebben van zonde.
Look at this place. So this is our church group, and we're all going for a long walk. Yeah, I love the view. It's so pretty. Oh yeah. So look at that. Isn't nature like the most beautiful place? I'm just going for a walk. Waar is? Zie dan niet.
Het torentje.
Ah, yeah, there. Yes, I see him. Ah, okay. So this is everybody. This is not everybody, but most of us came on this walking trip, like a hiking trip. It's a hiking trip, and I'm enjoying it because the sun has gone in. Catch you later, alligators. Sabbath in nature. Overlooking this. Oh. Where's the corn? Oh, the boys are in the cornfield. And everyone has gone ahead of us.
We're last now.
we're really at the back. But the group's further ahead. Look at them. We're going on a what? 6 kilo? What?
Did they say how far?
6, yeah.
They told us we were going to
6 kilometers.
You're kidding, right?
Oh, yeah, no. It's good for me. I like the hiking. It is
That's
6.
a lot. Maybe 3.
I like it. I really like it. But I think Alice has walked enough in Italy. So wow, I just love this. I can't get enough of this. From open ear service today on the Sabbath to walking in nature. If this isn't the most awesome feeling, you guys, I don't know what is, and I'm not even exaggerating. I swear. We're walking like 6 kilometers, and this is gonna be fun. A nice hiking trip for me. So nice. So I am far away from home. I am in, like, right at the French border. Belgium and France. Is that? Which border am I?
The French part.
I'm actually at the French part of yeah, but I'm not in France, but it's the border.
No, it's not a border of France. It's the border of the French part.
Well, yeah, whatever.
They speak French. I mean, the whole summer got planned around her because
I don't know for sure, but something like that. Yeah, whatever. But this, all I care about is that I'm having this beautiful walk, and it's not even sunny right now, and it's quite a few people on this trip. Some are left back at the property where we worshiped today, and I am just enjoying every bit of this. All I know is that I love it. And the sun isn't out right at this moment as we speak, so what is this thing? Yeah. Funny looking thing, but whatever. We're going deeper into the woods, deeper into the forest. Ooh. This is where we're at on our little hiking trip, and the rain is about to bust. And so many people are ahead. Big group. I love this place. And I pray the rain holds up. This just feels like a whole new world to me. Yep. This is nice. There it is. This is so pretty. I like this. Beautification. And now everyone has gone ahead of me. So we're finishing up. Some people are really far ahead. And the rains came, by the way. Just like it showed that it would on the app. And even physically we could see in the skies how it was black and gray and whatever. But the rains came and it's like a disaster on my feet here. It's not even funny. I'm wearing sandals. And yeah, but we're finishing up, I would say. I think we're almost at the end for a little hiking. The rain kind of crashed it, but I was really enjoying it. I still am. There's everybody. There everybody goes. Mm. And it's just so green and pretty. The sun's out again. But look, wow.
Really much time. Just slip where it's enough for that.
Yeah. I feel bad for her. I remember she a big woman in her age. You know? Oh, every time I take one deep breath, one sharp pain in my spine. Oh, whoa. It hurts. Let's keep going. Where me got on from now? Surely won't know that. That's what I thought.
We have someone, maybe you can bring, do you need something? Or we can have someone bring it.
The rains have stopped. The rains have stopped. Now we've lost about 50 other persons or so. Oh, there they are. Now she's all good again. Yay! And we helped. I'm happy that we stopped a little bit for her. It's nice, huh? She's not as young as we are, so area all in itself. Yeah, by the time I combine all these little vlogs here and there, I probably have around 10 minutes or so.
You think you'll find something you can put together?
Yeah, I have been doing bits and pieces and increments and so I really, yeah. Now people like to see how we do our Sabbaths differently here as opposed to in Jamaica.
So who's your main viewers?
Well,
Friends from Jamaica? Friends from Belgium? Or?
Not Belgium for sure. But I mean, I have cousins all over. Let me close this vlog first before I go.
Sorry.
No problem. No, it's not a problem now. Because I didn't realize also that, oh, I'm actually recording. So, all right. Love, love, love this. Oh, can't get enough.
So there, if you do that, then we'll have a nice.
This is so nice. This view. My heart is melting. Wow. It's like on the hillside. And there's a little horsey. The horses. Wow. I could just see myself doing this every single day. Just enjoying this kind of a view. And peace and tranquility every day. The serenity. Wow. Love it. Okay, so it is now 6:45 in the p.m. And we're ending our Sabbath with like a nice bonfire, like a campfire. See, there it is. So nice. I've never had this experience. This is nice. And this is like 3/4 of, everyone who came out today. Still a big crowd, but not quite as big. We have a tent here with a bunch of food. Some foods that I feel like it's safe for me to eat. I probably could try something else today and get a little bit naughty. Eating naughty today. Maybe a little bit. But, so this is how we're ending it. We just came from our walk in nature. So we went on a little hiking trip, as you would have seen earlier in the video. And now everybody is back at the property, and this is the scene. This is what it looks like, you guys. And my heart was blessed today. It's something I've never done before, and I am enjoying it, and I will do it again. So they do this every year, I was told. It's called Sabbath in Nature. So we're at someone's property, and as you can see, there's a really nice yard space. And so yeah, that's what happened today, you guys. And it's such a beautiful feeling to be able to be out in nature, really. So nice.
Een mooi liedje, maar ik denk voor mij de reden waarom ik het vooral heb gekozen was eigenlijk voor de naam Saudade. Omdat het betekent het is gemis. En dat ik dus ook iedereen van jullie ook enorm ga missen. En daarom wil ik dus ook dat liedje kiezen.
We hebben het hier proberen een beetje op te vrolijken. Dus de kleuren van Brazilië, of de Braziliaanse vlag, zijn geel en groen. Dus we zitten in het groen. We hebben geprobeerd om er een beetje geel bij te halen, om er toch een beetje iets feestelijks van te maken. Ik wil iedereen ook bedanken die iets meegebracht heeft om te eten. Dus,
So until next Sabbath, y'all. Goodbye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed my video.